I believe that once we start loving ourselves unconditionally, we don't need to go through that hard lessons when it comes to love and relationships. Because when you are actually loving yourself, when you are operating from the frequency of self love, you don't entertain anything that is toxic. In this episode, I'm going to discuss things that should not be entertained when it comes to love and relationships. So, without any further delays, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I would like to discuss is not accepting the bare minimum. When we have when we have not experienced a real connection, we accept anything. We accept the bare minimum in love, in relationships, because we think that, oh, this is fine. This is like, okay. You are accepting the bare minimum and you perceive those bare minimum efforts as the real efforts. It's because you have never experienced that love, that care, that affection, that warmth. You have never experienced that healthy relationship. And this is why you are accepting anything, accepting the bare minimum, and even see the bare minimum efforts as the like, as if, like a real efforts. Like, okay, it's fine. For example, communication is the basic first priority in any relationship, in any connection. Okay, so if you are just accepting anything that is bare minimum, you are telling universe that I'm okay being treated this way. So if you are someone who is accepting anything that is like, just bare minimum, like the other person is not putting any real efforts in the relationship, they are not doing what needs to be done, they are not treating you the right way, and you are still accepting just because you have never experienced that love in the past. If you are doing this, if you are accepting that bare minimum, then just take a pause and just take a pause and ask yourself that, is this the way I wanted to be treated? Ask yourself that, like, is it something that I want? I'll tell you one thing. When a person really into you, emotionally, mentally, in all way, like when a person is really into you, interested in you, they are never going to make you feel that you are being ignored, or like, if there are two people, okay, I'll give an example. Okay, let's say there are two people. Okay, one person is communicating with you in a right manner, even if you even if you are even if you are not able to express how you feel, that person is still able to understand you and try to make you feel comfortable and try to, you know, make you feel good and try to communicate with you in a way, in such a manner that you feel that, okay, this is good. This is good. Okay. And on the other side, the other person is and on the other side, the other person is not even communicating with you in the right manner. They make you feel like they ignored you, or they just, like. So I give you this example so that you can differentiate, okay? Differentiate between that bare minimum and the actual, the real, the connection, okay? So do not accept the bare minimum. Love yourself more, heal yourself, work on your self-worth, and so that you never entertain something that is toxic, okay? Something that you will regret, that, yeah, okay? So never accept the bare minimum. Yeah.